Okay, write down all of you today's topic. First topic, strings. 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 Okay, an array of characters. An array of characters or set of characters is called as strings. It can be used. Listen, it can be used both as data type and also as class. I can declare like this. Capital S string yes I can declare, or I can declare that like in the form of data type also I can declare. In the form of data type also I can declare S2. Okay. Okay. In the form of data type. In the form of class. Okay. All primitive data types are value type. Okay. And here string is reference type. Two things here important. Strings are immutable. Second, strings are reference type. Immutable means it cannot be changed. You can overwrite it. You can overwrite the same value. You can overwrite the same value. Okay. So this much you don't write, just listen here. Strings means what? Array of characters we call it as. One single quotation if I put, that is a character. Set of characters I call it as a string. Okay. String can be used as a class also or as a data type also. Small s if you keep, it is a class. Capital S if you keep, it is a class, string object. Okay. Both are okay. You can do like this. If you do s is equal to s2, there is no problem. And if you do yes, and if you do that s dot if you keep, in s dot if you keep or s2 dot if you keep, what and all inbuilt functionalities are there, all those things you can see it. Okay, in the strings. Okay, understood? String means what? Okay, practically when you write the code you will come to know more. So this much you understand. Strings are immutable. Immutable means what? I cannot change the strings. And so what value it contains, if I'm extracting this is what value it contains. Yes, what value it contains. If I'm extracting the string or if I'm performing some operation on the string, again I go and check the string value will be the same. It will not be changed. You can overwrite it. Overwrite means what? In the same variable you can keep that value. Okay. So this is about a little bit about the strings. So here in the strings you just observe some like this strings are there. If you see strings, properties are there for the strings. Chars property, length property. In the array also I did length property and all I used. Methods are there like modifying. You want to insert inside the string, replace, remove, trim, extracting the string, splitting. Split already you have used. Split, substring. Okay, formatting the strings. Then what is this? Searching the string, starts with, ends with, comparing the strings. So some of them we will see today. By writing the code, we will see some of the string examples. So today is what? August 19th. So let us start the code. Open all of you Visual Studio. Console only take it. Console you take it. Here C Sharp, all platforms, console. Next .NET Framework, console application, .NET Framework. String demo. String demo. String demo. Solution name is August. August 19 demos. August 19 demos. Whatever framework you want to keep it, you keep it. Create a project like this today. Okay, write down now. Along with me, write down the code. Make this one as a startup project. Anyway, this is a startup project only. So start writing the code along with me. String str. String str. Str is equal to. Okay, you are writing a string. Hello everybody. Welcome to .NET. How will you print the string? Console dot. We will go with simple examples, then we will make it complex. Console dot write line. Put the placeholder. Yeah, come inside. Come. Put the placeholder and write here str. So like that you will print the strings here. Okay. Console dot read line. Just I am checking the code. Control F5. Welcome to the .NET. Okay. So now continue the code along with me. String. First name. String. Last name. Middle name. String middle name. All of you type along with me. String middle name. String last name. So what I am telling, these are the things. Okay. I am asking console dot write line. Enter first name. So why to you better say console dot write, you say, huh? That will be better. And here you put /n. Okay, whatever you write will go in the first name. Console dot read line. Okay, same thing, copy same thing. No, right line only you say better. Say no problem. Control C, copy, Control V. Here enter middle name you write down. Here you enter last name you write down. And here you write down middle name. And here you write down last name. String full name is equal to first name plus double quotation, concatenating. Like this you can concatenate. You know how to concatenate. Yeah. Middle name, then plus last name. Then finally printing full name. Enter first name Ravi Kumar Singh. Okay, try this one. Another way of concatenating is like this: string full name 2 is equal to concat string function is string dot concat. Yeah, get inside concat first name comma give some space comma middle name comma give some space then last name. Like this also you can concatenate, and again you can display the values dot to upper, you can say uppercase you can put it. Enter first name Ravi Kumar Singh. Okay, all of you try this one. I am teaching strings. Okay, all of you write, open one project, give the name strings. Try it out, all of you. Try this program. Once I'll show you, then you can try. Enter first name Ravi Kumar Saxena. I'll write. Okay, enter first name to replace Ravi. Sita Kumar Saxena. Middle name in the middle name in the full name is Kumar. Okay. Try it out, all of you. This one. How I am doing like that. Just check it out. Middle name depends what you give. Some I am giving Kumar, so that is why somewhat change I am doing it. Check, analyze, and check strings. Still, if you actually go more, check analyze. First program is this. I'm putting this code in the code share for your reference. Just check it. In between, I am giving Kumar. For your middle name may be different. You change the parameters starting from after 5 characters. I am doing it. Ravi, R-A-V-I, Ravi space. Then I am starting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from space. Kumar is 5 characters. Like that. It's up to you how you will take. Okay. Check it in. Check it in the codes here. $1 are not taken. Go on the top. Write one function here. I am writing one function. All of you write along with me. Public static. See, any function I am making it as static means directly I can call within the class. Any function within the class static means directly I can call that function. No need to declare the object. Okay. Public static void compare strings. There is a one function in that two strings I am passing. I want to compare the two strings. Based upon what it will compare, I don't know, but I am trying to check. Integer I is equal to string dot compare. Okay, if I is equal to 0, if I is equal to 0, then I will say that strings are equal. If I is equal to 0, on what basis it will compare, we'll check it. But first let us write the code. Console dot write line, both strings are equal. Again, if I is greater than 0, if I is greater than 0, string 1 is greater than 2. Else, I don't know, it will check ASCII value or how it will check. Let me check it. you don't want to write in this manner, you want to write in a different way, okay, you can write like this. String is there na, slash slash double quotation like this, double quote, again slash, I think so, again slash double quotation. Why I'm putting slash means string means what? String means what? Already string na. Again I have to tell inside the string. Again I have to tell double quotation string. Inside the string again I have to tell string. For that purpose I am doing like this. Here what? I have to use this function. This is a static function. Directly I can use this function inside the class. Okay. Static to static within the class. Directly you can use it. Okay. Okay. Write down the function here. This code I'll put it in the code share. On the top of the function here only I'll put it. Here only you copy it. Here I am pasting it. Just as per the program only I am pasting it. So let me check which string is greater than which one. On what basis it is checking, I don't know. ASCII value it will check, or what it will check. Let me check. So string 1, you take one string 1. String 1 is equal to, say, Mysore. I'll take a small letter. I will take Mysuru. What is Mysore? On what basis it will test? Huh? That I have to check. Compare strings. And result I'll get it there only na. Control F5. These are the first coding. I have kept the code in the this one code share. Please check it. Yeah, how man string Mysore is greater than Bangalore? On what basis it is checking? ASCII value it is checking. If I keep capital M, compare, let us check compare, what the compare will do. ASCII value it will check, I think so. One minute. It is checking ASCII value, I think. So if here if I keep Z, if I keep, let me check. I am trying to check this one. Okay. So now string 2 is greater than string 1, it is saying. So it is checking ASCII value. Okay. You got it, my value. Understood? Understood. It's not the letter is big or small. Z Janglore. Janglore is not there, but I'm just checking. M comes first, na, so it is checking based upon that. Comparison it is doing. Okay. Got it? Okay. So I was telling strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. I told na. All of you checked this program. ASCII value it is checking ASCII. ASCII value means what you understood? B A and B na. So B is greater. Okay. In capitals also it is checking ASCII values. Okay. Let it be. It is not checking the length. Okay. Strings are immutable. I told na cannot be changed. Suppose string KK is equal to Mahesh. I told. Okay, and KK dot substring I am doing. Substring of this Mahesh is there 2 comma 3 I am doing. Okay, I have to put it in the double quotation. I am trying to change the string. Okay, this string I try to change. I changed here now the string, and when I am after changing the string again I am printing the string. I should see the changed value. See string. Write down string changed. I am writing. Yeah, CH. See, KK has got changed or not? That is my question here. Here string is there, na Mahesh. See here. See, actually, what happened? This is a KK is a string. I modified that string like this. Okay. After modifying the string, again I am printing that string. It will not be modified. Okay, because strings are immutable. The changed value I have kept it in the changed. Both I am printing and seeing. Okay. So strings are immutable. They cannot be modified. Okay. But you can overwrite the string. Instead of putting in the changed, again if you put it in the KK only, that is overwriting we call it as. Okay, that is overwriting we call it as. So if I run this one, what is the value of the string here? Control F5. Ravi Kumar Saxena Mira. Okay. So here the change value is this one, but the original string remains like that only. Okay. You write here. Here KK remains as it is, but you can overwrite it. Overwrite it means what? I can do like this. String KK is KK is equal to KK dot substring. Like this I can do it again. And now if I print console dot write line, it will be changed. Hey Bhagwan, Ravi Kumar Saxena Meera. Right. Okay, now it has been changed. Means what? When you overwrite it, it will change it. Overwrite means that after modifying again keeping in that variable only. But if you don't overwrite, okay, you do lot of operations, KK will be KK only. Okay, if you modify and again you keep it in the KK only, there is overwriting here. Just make a note. Students will ask, sir, you told just now immutable. See, I am modifying here the return. Sir, I modified the string return. That's overwriting we call it as. Okay, you are not modifying the string. Strings are immutable. If you try to change also, they will not be changed. They can be overwritten, but strings are immutable. It will not have effect. What's your have kept? Which one you want? Above. Class 2. Compare strings. Here it is. This code I have kept it in the code share. You have to check it. Everyone following na strings? Slowly I am explaining all the things. Okay? Step by step we will check. You can replace this one like this. If you want, you replace this one. Okay. So you understood immutable, na? All of you, right? Now all of you write one method here. Here, all of you write public static equals example. String s1 is equal to hello. All of you write down. String s1 is equal to hello. String s2 is equal to hello. String s2 is equal to hi, you say otherwise. String s3 is equal to okay. So okay, here also you put hello only. Console dot write line. Write down. S1 equals S2. Okay, it will give me the Boolean value. It checks what? It checks content. Content inside the string, it checks content. Checks content inside the string. See here, S1 is actually a reference type means what? Pointing. It will point to an address. Reference type means what? It will point to an address. S1 is pointing to hello. S2 is pointing to hello. S3 is also pointing to one string goodbye. Okay. Now S1 dot equals S2 means what? It will check the content inside the S1 and S2. Suppose I change the direction of S1. S1 is pointing to hello na. S1 you point to S3 I told. S1 will point to S3 and S3 will point to goodbye. So direction will change. Once the direction will change, then is equal to operator will come. Then it will be not true. Okay, that is why reference type I told you. Yesterday in program I have written call by value, call by reference. Call by value means copy will go. Call by reference means correctly that address will be going there. Okay, so here first this will result me. I change the direction after this printing of this statement. I change the direction of S1 to S3. S1 you point to S3 I told. Okay, S1 you point to S3 I told. Okay, now again the same statement I print it after changing the direction. After changing the direction, again the same statement I am printing. And again I am checking is S1 is equal to S2. That also I am checking. There are two types of equality. S1 is equal to S2. True or false, it will tell me whether it is equal to S2 or not. Okay, S1 is not equal to S2. It will not check the content. Okay, direction is changed here. Then S1 is equal to S3. You have to see the result by typing the code. So this function I will call and I will see the result. First you write down the code, understand what I am telling. S1 dot equals will check the content, it will not check the direction. So if I say S1 dot equals to S2, no, it is not equals to S2 because S1 is pointing to initially. S1 is pointing to hello. S2 is also pointing to hello only, but different hello it is pointing to. Okay. Then suddenly what I changed? S1 direction changed. I changed S1 direction to this one. This is hello. Okay, this is hello. Another hello is there. Goodbye is there. Okay, S1, S2, S3 is pointing to goodbye. But this is not good diagram. Wait. Okay, this is S1, S2, S3. Hello, hello, goodbye. S1, S2, S3. There is no problem. Initially there is no problem. Okay. Content is same, true. Now S1 will point to S2. Means what? This connection is gone. It is pointing to S2. So this will be true. Yes, goodbye, goodbye. Both are pointing to the same thing. And this will give me wrong output because S1 is not pointing na like that. So check it, check the code. I'll run the code and I will see. Equals example. All of you type this code and run the code. Equals example. I have to give down here equals example. What I will do, I'll keep this exam equals example. Once I'll show you control F5, then I will put the code. These are all again and are coming. What is this one? True, false, false, true. True, false, false, true. This is true, na? Content, it will check the content. This is true, false. This is false, na? Now S1 is not equal to S2, na? Because S1 is now pointing to, yeah, S3. So S1 is not equal to S3. Next, true, false, false. Yes, S1 is not equal to S2 because S1 is equal to S3 now. Then S1 is equal to S3. Yes, it is true. So that like that you just once check the code by running the program. If you are getting any doubt, you just tell me. Complete code, I'll put it in the code share. Control A, Control C. What I will do, complete, I'll delete this one. Control A, delete, Control V. From fresh, I have kept the code. Code share first to last, I have kept. Just check. Out. Yes. Okay. See here. See, strings are immutable. I told na I cannot. Strings are immutable. I told na. Means strings I cannot change. Okay. There is another object. String builder is there. String builder. String builder. What string builder will do? It is mutable. It can be changed. Okay. String builder I will use. Don't declare string objects S1, S2, S3. Lot of memory will be occupied. One time you declare the object, in that only you append it. Okay. So I'm going to do one task. Okay. That task cannot be done using string. Because what strings are immutable. If I modify the string, what will happen? Again, if I go and check that string, it will be that string only. Okay, don't overwrite it. I'm talking. So all of you now, after this equals example, write the code along with me. First declare and declare like this one. One thing you declare. What is that one? 1 minute. Declare one string. Declare one string like this. String weekdays. Declare one string like this. Weekdays. Like this, you should not array of string you declare. String weekdays is equal to new string. So what is this one string weekdays new string? Or you can write like this also. Directly you can initialize like this also. Put it here. So write it here. Monday. Write on all of you. Oh, Monday. Then write on all of you. Tuesday. Write on all of you. I am declaring a string. You also do it. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Anyway, you write down, no problem. Sunday. Okay, I want output in this manner. I want output in this manner. Okay, in which manner I want? Hyphen should come in each place, and at the last, and Saturday and Sunday should come. Okay, what I want? I want to print the string. I want to modify this string. I want to modify this string. I want to modify this string. But if I modify again, after modifying again, if I check the string, it will not be modified. Yes, I told you na, you don't overwrite it. If you modify the string, again you print the string, it will be same as it is. How I want to modify? Monday hyphen Tuesday, like that it should come, and Saturday and Sunday it should come. So like that I want to modify. So what I will do? Strings are immutable. Means what? Even though I modify, it won't get modified. So I will use string builder to modify that task, right? So all of you type along with me the code. Write down string builder. String builder. You go on the top using system.txt. System.txt is there. It's there, na? In that only string builder is there. S capital string builder. String builder. String builder SB is equal to new string builder object you created. string builder is equal to, like this one string builder object you create, all of you. It is mutable, it is changeable. Okay, it is changeable. Start the loop. Start the loop. L capital. Iterate each loop one by one, one by one. Keep it in the string builder. Iterate the loop one by one. Keep it in the string builder. What you do? I am iterating the loop. This loop I am iterating. One element I am taking it and I am appending it in the string builder. In this object I am putting it. That string builder. Type along with me, all of you. If I is less than weekdays dot length minus 2, until this time what you do, you don't not only append this one, you also append what, hyphen you append, hyphen you append. Okay, until for Friday, Thursday you append hyphen you append. Then else, if you reach, else if there only I can write it. I is equal to weekday you write and you write it. So everything is there in the string builder. From the string I kept it in the string builder. Finally print the string builder. SB dot toString. I want to just show the output, then I will put it 1 minute. Once you see, okay, Monday, okay, it is not coming. Monday, this space should be there, na? Hyphen is coming, space should be there. So I'll give some space here. Okay, all of you write the code for this one. String builder, one time I will create the object and keep on appending the things. She didn't told anything to me. Hmm. Don't know. I know. Okay. Yeah, yeah. This much everyone tried now. This much done everyone. Okay. Now in the solution, right click and add a new project. C sharp all platforms desktop. All of you new project please start. This code if I want I will put it in the code share. Once I will put all code I will put it in the code share. Control A, Control C. From first I will put it. Okay. delete, Control V. Okay. Desktop. Add new project. Add in the from the solution. Add new project. Desktop Windows Forms .NET Framework. Second. Windows Forms .NET Framework. Next. Exception demo. Exception demo. Exception demo. You give the name. Exception demo. Create one Windows application. Make this one as a startup project. Set as a startup project. Okay. Just put one button like this and three text boxes you keep it. One. Three text boxes you keep it. At a time I'm selecting all the values. Okay, and right clicking the properties. At a time I'm changing the font of all of them to bold. First text box, second text box, third text box, and one button. File new project. Okay, Windows project or desktop. Set as startup project. Three text boxes and one button. You keep it. You have to open a new project in the solution. In the solution, right click and add a new project. Desktop you select C# all platform desktop. Second option Windows Forms. Same procedure. What you are doing? Desktop only. C# all platforms desktop. Okay. Then this Windows Forms came na. From the toolbox, put one button and three text boxes. You keep it. Design. Yes. Attributes. Name and all. Font size. At a time you select like this. Drag like this. Then go to the font here and increase the font a little bit, 12 or like that, and say OK. Like that I have done. At a time you select, bring in the region of that one, then it will be selected. Then here you say right click, say properties. In the properties, select the font and change the properties of that one. So exception I want to tell now. Exception program I want to tell. First a little bit listen, then I will tell you. All of you listen carefully. Okay, exception means what? See how many types of errors will be there? First error, syntax error will be there. If compiler only will tell what is the syntax error. Second error is what? Logical error will be there. You will get the output, you will not get the correct output. Somewhere in the logic you have done the mistake. Okay, you will check that logic. And third type of error is called runtime error. Runtime error is nothing but exception we call it as. There is a file in the project. Somebody has deleted that file. When you run the project, then only you will know that at the runtime only you will know that that file is deleted. Okay, that runtime error we call it as exception. We call it as. Getting my point? An abnormal event that disrupts the normal flow of programming is called as exception. Okay. In mathematics also, 0 by 0 is not defined. Anything by 0 is not defined. Infinity by infinity is not defined. So these and all comes under exception. These and all comes under exception. Okay. What I want to do, I don't want to make my program to be halted because of this exception. Okay. Sometimes user will do mistakes. Okay. I will tell him, end user don't know the programming language. Okay, he don't know. He just know how to use the software. I will tell him, please don't do this mistake. I will tell. Okay, where there is a possibility of error, that code I will put it in the try block. Okay, where there is a possibility of error, that code I will put it in the try block. Okay, so what happens if that in that error comes now? Suddenly an exception will be thrown. Listen, in the try block I will keep it. if error comes now, suddenly the exception will be thrown, and in the catch block I will catch that exception and I will display a message. Please don't do this mistake, like that I will tell. Okay. So these are some exceptions are there. You have to understand here. Okay. In between try and catch, nothing should be used. Okay. We can create our own exceptions. Okay. So let us do some program. We'll come to know. So all of you are in the come to the program. Come to the program. This is text box 1. This is text box 2. Text box 3. Double click the button, all of you. Double click the button and write the code. From the text box 1, I will take the value and I will keep it in the a variable. Okay. Then from the text box 2, I will take the value and keep it in the b variable. Then int c is equal to int c is equal to a/b I will do. Okay. Then that value is there now. I will put it in the text box. C value I will put it in the text box. C value. So text box reverse. Text box 3 will take the value from which from C it will take. So like that you write the logic. In the button click you write the logic. Okay. This much done now, everyone. You have made your program as startup project, everyone. Make this one as a startup project. 2 text boxes value will keep it. When you click the button, divided by, it will come in the third text box. That's all I have done. Okay. So, so select this, make this one as a startup project and run the program, all of you. So I am giving some values here. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Fine. No problem. Okay. My program is not halted here. Okay. Anything by 0 is not defined. Anything by 0 is not defined. So when I do like this, exception will come. My program is halted, is stopped here due to runtime error. Okay. Anything by 0 is not defined. Okay. So what type of exception is that one? Divide by 0 exception. Okay. Divide by 0 exception. So where there is a possibility, where the error is coming, can you tell me? Here in this area the error is coming. So put that code in the try block. Put that code in the try block. So stop the debugging. I am writing the code. You write it here. You just write here try, press tab 2 times. 1, 2. It will come like this. Press tab 2 times. It will come like this. What I told you, take this code. Take this code. Yeah. Take this code. Put it in the try block. Where there is a possibility of error. Okay. Put that code in the try block. Okay. In between try and catch, don't write like this. Integer a is equal to 12. Okay, it will not allow. In between try and catch, nothing should be there. Because here error, there is a possibility that error can come. That is why catch block should be kept immediately. Okay. Okay, now again the same mistake I will do. From here the error will go here. The error will come here. Okay, once the error will come here, I will write the message to the user. Hello boss, don't write enter 0 there. I will tell him. Okay. So I am doing that thing here now. What kind of exception I got? You remember that one? 0. Divide by 0 exception na. So you write down here divide by 0 exception EE and write the message here message box dot show don't enter 0 as divisor. Okay, this is my message. Okay, this is my message. System defined message you want to print means you can write system defined message also. Your message also will be seen. System defined message also will be seen. Just I will show you. Okay, just I will show you. See again I will one time I will show you. Again I will do the mistake 0. Now this time my program will not stop. It will tell me don't enter 0 as divisor. Okay, I will not enter 0 as divisor. Fine, no problem. But I will enter ABCD. Okay, I will enter ABCD. So then also my program will stuck. Okay, we will check that one later on. First you write this much code. For a one try block, there can be many catch blocks because I don't know the user will do what type of error. Okay, he can leave the box empty. He can enter special symbols. He can enter characters. Anything he can enter. Try this one. All of you put 0. Anything by 0 you put and try to run the code. It will tell you don't do that mistake. Then you will enter correct value and then you click the button. You will get the correct result. Done now this much. You checked all of you checked this code. Yes, all of you checked this code. So again I am running this program. Another type of error he can do it. What is that one? 12 by characters he can give. So at that time what error I am getting? Continue. I should get error. Is there anywhere it is running? Format exception I should get. 12 by some characters. I am putting it and I clicked. Okay, I am getting a format exception. I am getting some special symbols I kept. So for that also you write the code. Again you write catch block. Format exception I am getting. Don't enter special symbols or characters. Okay. So what type of error is doing, that type of catch block I am creating it. Okay. So that avoid this one. So control F5. Now I will enter 12 special symbol I am entering. Star, 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 something like that. Don't enter special symbols. Okay. I will not enter. I will leave like this only. And then I will say enter. Don't enter special. Space is also some special symbols. I don't write anything here. I will do like this. So all these things it will come. So I will not do any mistake now. 12, 5, whatever is the divisor that it will come to me. Okay. These are the catch blocks. If these catch blocks cannot handle the exception, there is a base class exception class which is exception. Okay. Two persons are sitting. I am throwing a ball. Highest person will catch the last ball. If they cannot catch this ball, back person who is there who is height, he will catch the ball. So if they cannot handle the exception, I don't know what kind of error will come in the programming. This is a small program. When you go for the projects and all, any kind of error can come. To handle any kind of error, catch block is exception block is made. Not these are smaller one, divide by zero format. Base class exception I will put it last. Catch exception. This is the base class exception class. Okay, and I will put some message here. All of you put it. Some general error, check it. So if you want to put his message also, system defined message also you want to put it, means you write like this. When they cannot handle, he will handle the error. Okay, I don't know what scenario it cannot be handled, those two, he will handle the error. Try, where the possibility of error is there, put all that code in the try block. Okay, exception will come, means directly it will go in the catch block. In the catch block I will write the solution what to be done. Don't do like this. This catch block is the base class, na? Control X, don't keep it on the top. It will tell error. It will tell after some time error. It will tell. See, it is telling me error. Why? It is telling me error because when smaller catch blocks are there to handle the exception, why are you putting the base class on the top? Okay. Okay, always keep the base class on the top down. When they cannot handle, let it handle. Okay, like that it is saying. Otherwise, remove down one. Just keep one exception. You keep it. Okay. So why it is getting error? When smaller catch blocks are there, don't put the main catch block on the top. When they cannot handle, you put it at the down. Okay. So that is why you should not put it here. You have to put this one always here. There is one block is there, finally block. Okay, whether exception comes or does not come, okay, it will execute. See here, what is the finally block? Whether exception comes or exception does not comes, I want my code to be executed. Okay, I want my code to be executed. Finally block is used. Okay, whether exception comes, runtime error comes, or runtime error does not comes, this code will execute it. Okay. Try catch finally is okay. Try catch is okay. Try finally is also okay. Okay. But all the notes in the notes I have mentioned that one. You just check it. So I'm just showing this code here once. So now exception is not coming. Okay. Then also I am still alive is coming. Okay. Now exception will come. That exception I will overcome. Then also it will come. I am still alive. Whether exception is there or not there, this finally block will execute. So this code I will put it in the code share. Where to keep it in your code, you just check it. Exception. Exception. What is an exception? Runtime error, you can say. Kondal are writing, write the code. If I comment this one, then also no problem. If I comment this one, okay. Try finally is okay. Okay. Try catch finally is also okay. Okay. Try catch is also okay. That is what I have mentioned in the notes here. You can just check it later on. Try catch finally is okay. Try catch is okay. Try finally is okay. Okay. All of you write down the code which I have written here. Check the things are executing or not properly or not. Okay, up to this done. Everyone done this side. Everyone last. This one done. Doubt. Okay, okay. Okay. This much you done now? One minute. Yeah, I'll give break just a minute. It's not 5 minutes, 10 minutes. See, one small code is there. Let me finish. See, suppose I'm online filling some bank application. Suppose age is below 18. ICICI Bank will tell that exception it will throw runtime error. Age is below 18, you cannot open a bank account. So user defined exception I want to create. These are the exceptions generated by system, but my own exception I want to create. Okay, for that let us write the code. Then afterwards I'll give the break, and accordingly I will give the break. Okay. So now all of you, one small change you do it. All of you come to the design. Put one text box. Put one text box here. Side we put one text box. This side put one text box, and one button also we put it. One text box and one button. No need to increase the size and all. Just one text. This is fourth text box. Remember, double click the button and write the code along with me. On the and write the code along with me. Okay. Say public class Bank of Bank of Baroda. Baroda. This is Bank of Baroda. Okay, is extending application exception. You should application exception. I want to create an exception. Bank of Baroda exception I want to create. Okay. So you write like this. Public constructor Bank of Baroda. This Bank of Baroda will take one message, string message, that should extend base class. How I am writing like that only write. Base of message. Like that. So there is message. So this is a class. Okay, this is a Bank of Baroda class. Okay, it is inheriting application exception. Whenever I declare an object of this class, means what constructor if I define parameterize constructor na, in that if I pass, I will get the error. So button two click you have done na. So here you write down the code. Try press tab two times. Try press tab two times. Int age convert dot to int 32 text box 3 4 na. If your age is, see, you want to throw the exception explicitly. It is not happening runtime. Okay, when age is less than, if age is less than 18, okay, you throw what you throw an exception. Which exception? Bank of Baroda exception you throw. Okay, you first create a Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda obj is equal to new Bank of Baroda. In that one, Bank of Baroda, yeah, Baroda spelling I don't know. Baroda exception. This is Bank of Baroda exception. Age below, write this code. Age below 18. Okay. So throw that object. Which object? When age is less than 18. Throw that object when age is less than 18. When you are throwing that object, you have to catch that object not in the exception. Bank of Baroda only you have to catch it. Bank of Baroda exception, BB only you have to catch it. And directly you can put a message box dot show BB dot message, you can put it directly. You know what is the message? Bank of Baroda exception, age below 18. That is the exception. Throw, what is this throw? I created an object. Semicolon I forgot to put here. So this is not user defined exception. This is my exception. Okay, Bank of Baroda exception. One time I will show you. Age 12 years. Bank of Baroda exception came. 12 years na. If it is not 56 years, no exception. All of you try this code. Understood now what I am telling? You have to inherit one application exception class. You have to create your own method there. Huh? And if age is less than 18, just throw explicitly that class with the message, and that will be definitely catched in the catch block. And in the catch block, you will get that result.